If cash flow is tight and clients are slow to pay, the business software Xero can change that quicker than you think. Here's what you'll learn in the next few minutes. How to set up invoices in Xero so clients pay you sooner. The small changes that stop invoices being ignored. And the Xero tips that turn invoicing and getting paid fast into a system, not a guessing game. Here's the thing. Most small business owners think late payments are just part of business. But invoicing and getting paid fast using Xero is mostly about timing, clarity, and making it easy to pay. First Xero tip, send invoices immediately, not end of the week, not when you remember. The moment the job is done, send the invoice from Xero. We see clients get paid days faster just by doing this one thing. Next, payment terms. If your invoice says due in 30 days, guess what happens? People pay in 30 days, or later. In Xero, shorten your default terms, 7 days, 14 days. Be confident. You're running a business, not a bank. Now, this is a big one for invoicing and getting paid fast. Turn on online payments in Xero, credit card, direct debit. If clients can click and pay in seconds, they will, but so many businesses still send invoices that require extra steps. And what happens? They get forgotten. Quick story. We had a tradie client constantly chasing payments, stress through the roof. We switched him to Xero online invoices with payment links and automatic reminders. Same clients, same work. He started getting paid in half the time. Another Xero tip, set up automatic invoice reminders, polite, professional, consistent. Xero does the awkward follow-up for you so you don't have to. And don't forget invoice clarity, clear description, no jargon, one obvious total. Confusing invoices slow down invoicing and getting paid fast every single time. Here's how to apply all of this today. Open Xero, check your default payment terms, turn on online payments, activate reminders, then make invoicing a habit, not a chore. This is general advice only, so make sure you get advice specific to your situation. If you're one of our clients, we can run through your invoicing setup in our next complimentary tax time meeting, or you can book a chat anytime. If you want more practical business tips like this, sign up to our free weekly business tips. The link's in the description. If invoicing and getting paid fast in Xero has been a struggle, drop a comment below, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.